Wait, again.
Hi! We're gonna make a mug.
Who will break, you or me?
You!
Me?
Yeah!
No more Tito reveal. You will me in the video. Hindi mo abot yan. Babasagin mo pa yun sa baba.
Si Kuya na lang. No.
Go!
Tita na lang. I already did the...
What?
You already did the tita reveal. Let's go.
Sasayangan ako eh. Pero mura lang naman to.
Okay. Get out. Get out. You're gonna die.
Ay, you, ano? Go back.
Okay, let's go.
Go!
You get that?
Yeah. Okay. No. What did you aim at?
Okay, you share your experience about me throwing down.
Huh? What?
Is it? What's your experience? Is it exciting?
What's your experience? Nice? No?
It's nothing.
Okay, do your outro.
Yeah, outro.
Say bye, guys.
That's our outro.
Okay, the next time.
Today is part 2 of last video.
Okay, so
We're gonna break
to recap,
2 more.
at Isdaan
We're at Isdaan
floating restaurant. Yeah.
Tarlac.
Okay, sure. Let's go. So we're gonna break 2 more mugs.
You first, Kuya.
You go
Okay.
first.
Can't video me though.
This is the cameraman.
We're not doing...
Cameraman here.
Okay,
I know
here.
how to edit.
Game.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, Daddy. Okay, let's go. Move. Okay, outro.
We're
We
out
need to
so
put
there.
the video.
Oh wait, no, not yet. Let's walk.
Throw the phone.
Outro.
What's that? Outro?
Let's walk around.
Walk.
Yeah, let's walk. Show the place. Show the place here.
Show the
Oh yeah. Species. Okay. Okay, outro. Say bye, guys.